What is your favorite Yiddish word, phrase, or song? Or all of the above?
Hak Mir Nisht Keyn, because it reminds me of my mom and my grandma.
And can you provide a definition? What does that mean?
Well, it was mostly, we use it as like shut up, but it's like don't bother me. And I think the funniest moment with that was when my brother was asking for, like, my mom like threw away his teapot or something. It had broken. He was like really into like Buddhist stuff and like Asian cultures, so he was like making lots of tea. And then she's like, I don't know where it is. And he's like, he would like not, he was like for 30 minutes after mom said, Hak Mir Nisht Keyn, he started screaming about his teapot. And I think that was like one of the funniest, because I didn't know what a Tschaynik was back then. And then now looking back, I don't know, I think it's hilarious.
It's a very literal rendition of like,
don't bother me with the Tschaynik.
So stop banging the teapot, and his annoying her was actually about a teapot.
Yes, yeah.